We got a fire alarm. Ellingson, RIT. I burnt their damn popcorn. Got my iPod. And don't forget my badge. And we are getting the hell out of here. Ow!
Did they make it extra loud for the deaf people? Did they really?
Probably.
That's my life.
Finally, we're... Gosh, it's been like a minute and a half. And we're finally at 1. Good lord. So we're coming through here. And we got all of Ellingson out here. This sucks so much.
I'm warm. I don't know if we
Yes, it's a fire alarm disco party here at Ellingson Hall at RIT. This camera sucks, so I have to back up quite a... Whoever pulled this alarm is dead, or burnt their popcorn. I am not very happy. Now the worst is when this happens at 3 a.m., which it has. This is like the 3rd fire alarm so far, and this is the 4th week of school. I am not pleased. Luckily this is only like 10:50 p.m. Hey, at least the fire alarms work. What?
You want to take video?
Well, that isn't too bad. Whoever pulled this or burnt their popcorn is dead. Seriously, people burn their popcorn all the time, and it's because of crap like that that we all have to leave. Alright, currently the fire alarms, they disabled the audible horns, which pretty much blast your ears to death anyways. Of course, this dorm is half deaf. And yay, the fire alarms are off! Yay! Supposedly. Now everyone's headed back in. Yeah, this is... Life at Ellingson is fun, but this is one of the biggest downsides. I'm serious, if this happened at 4 a.m. and they found out who did it, they'd probably be killed at like the hands of 500 angry people.